So, how do you start your journey of marketing any website over the internet? So, let's say if you have an e-commerce website having different products and you are required to sell these products. So, I guess you would know that you have to start with the awareness campaign. Here, a campaign type with the objective of reaching to different clients, post to which you can launch a page like campaign, a campaign that start generating some initial followers on Facebook page. You run traffic campaign to send the traffic. You run Instagram follower campaign. You run post boost campaign. And then you start running the leads, or it could be the sales campaigns. Now, sales campaigns are needed to generate sales, starting with a campaign within which you upload all the products called as product catalog campaign. Our next campaign, which could be a conversion campaign, where you drive sales through one product, usually, which have generated 4 sales for us. Then additionally, you also think about launching the Advantage Shopping campaign, a very new campaign in Facebook. So all in all, we have around 13, 14 campaigns available in Facebook, which we have launched for this project. And today we are getting into the results of all of these campaigns together. So let me start with this campaign, which could be called as awareness campaign. Now, people who don't know awareness is about showing your ads to maximum people over the internet, and the idea is to generate reach. So in this row of Springtails awareness, you can see that we have generated around 1,10,000 reaches after spending 134 rupees, the first campaign. Then we launched the page like campaign on Facebook, which has generated 31 page likes, and we spend around 8 rupees, 8.73 to generate one page like. This is the cost per result. Then you have third campaign, which was a Instagram profile visit campaign, for which we have spent around 168 rupees and generated 1997 Instagram profile visitors. We ran a post boost campaign, which has generated 55 post engagement after spending 30 rupees only. We ran a Springtails WhatsApp campaign, another campaign that drives traffic from Facebook ads to WhatsApp. And this one has generated 6 WhatsApp conversations after spending 231 rupees. And then if I scroll towards the top, you can see we have generated 2 leads from lead generation campaign after spending 78 rupees. We have generated 1 message from message campaign after spending 84 rupees. And then we have not generated anything from the product catalog campaign, this one. So I guess this is the worst performing campaign for this account, which made us spend around 100, in fact 1033 rupees, and yet not generated a purchase. So when this campaign did not work for us, we started with another campaign called as conversion campaign. You can see the name is Springtails Flawless Hair Remover. We used one single product in this conversion campaign. Now this campaign has generated 4 website purchases after spending 187 rupees per purchase. In total, we spent 751 rupees. And eventually, the last campaign for this account is the Springtails Advantage Shopping campaign, a campaign that allows you to show the ads all over Facebook, all over Meta properties without any internal settings. This has generated 1 purchase only after spending 126 rupees. So you can see we have spent around 4,265 rupees, which you can see from the amount spent column. Then you have impressions column, then you have results column, then you have cost per result column. And that's how you figure out the performance of all the campaigns in Facebook. Now, when it comes to Facebook, it's all about launching campaigns using a creative, which is the part 1. So for any campaign that you think of launching needs a creative first. After having the creative, you have to set up the campaign by an audience. So let's say these are the audience. At level 1, you set up the campaigns using the campaign types. within any objective. At level 2 of the campaign, you decide the campaign targetings, which means daily budget, target location, gender, age range, interest, and behavior, of course. Then you decide the platforms, which means Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience network. You have to decide the mobile, desktop, Android, iOS, Wi-Fi, or any model at which we want to show our ads. And once the level 2 is decided, at level 3, we have to add the ads in that campaign. Ads could be creative, video, carousel, product listings. So in this meta training deck, I have listed all the campaigns one by one. Then I have added exercises for every topic, for every campaign. So after watching the video of that campaign, you are required to go through the exercises. You have to complete the campaign by yourself. And then I have listed the results as well. Now, after going through these entire list of activities, people are required to mark their progress. So let's say if you are completing any topic, you have to mark it complete as over here. If it's in progress, you have to mark your progress. Otherwise, if you're having any issues, you have to list down your issues in the cell. I'll be sharing this link somewhere below the end of the video, so you can start working on this Meta Ads training course to become a Meta Ads executive. I'll see you then.